So in this video, I'll show you how to install and set up WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy A07. Now the first step when it comes to installing and setting up WhatsApp is to simply just navigate to the Play Store. Once you're in the Play Store, you're then going to use a search function and you're going to type in the word WhatsApp. And then you're going to select search. You should see it listed here in the search results, so you're just going to tap on it to view the app details and confirm that it's by WhatsApp Limited. And then once you've done that, you're then going to select install and simply wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been downloaded and installed onto your phone, you can tap on open to launch it, or you can navigate back to the home screen and look for the app icon from there and then select it to launch it. Once you've launched WhatsApp, you then need to choose the language you're going to continue the setup in. By default, it will select your system language, but you can always just tap on it and choose a different language for you. So you can see I've selected one, so I can just go through the list and choose the option I prefer. Then I can tap on agree and continue to the privacy policy and the terms of service. From here, you'll then be prompted to enter in your phone number, and then WhatsApp will ask you for certain permissions. So go ahead and agree to the permissions, and then enter in your phone number as well as the correct region. Once you've typed in the phone number, tap on next to move on to the next step. And then you'll be prompted to confirm that that is the correct phone number that you've just entered in, so select yes. And then wait for the verification to come through. Now you can choose to use two different methods for verification. You can choose to use a automatic call, which means that WhatsApp will send you a call and then it will verify by accessing your call logs. Or you can choose to verify another way. This normally includes sending messages to your message code to your phone and then you entering in the code. So choose which verification method you prefer, and then just continue with that verification. You'll also need to give necessary access so that the verification is done. And then you can say it's requesting a call, and then it's automatically verifying, and then it's been verified, which means that I've successfully created that. So from here, I'll then need to give it access to my contacts and media and other necessary permissions so that I can be able to use WhatsApp. So you'll just tap on continue and then give it access. And once you've given the correct access that is needed, you can also choose to restore a backup that you have available. So you can choose to skip, or you can choose to give permission and go ahead and restore the backup. And then you can also choose to restore or transfer chats from a different phone. So it's up to you to decide how you want to do so. If you want to continue, select the transfer method and then tap on continue, or you can just select skip and then skip the restoration. From here, now enter in your profile name, so the name that you want people to be seeing you as on WhatsApp. You can also choose to add a profile picture. Then you can tap on next, skip if you don't want your chats to be backed up to your email, and then here you have it. You've successfully installed and set up WhatsApp on your Galaxy A07. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.